So do you want to know how to cleanse your face and prepare it before using the Carotone black spot corrector to get maximum results? Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys, my name is Anita David, and if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching any of my videos for the first time, I say welcome to you. And if you want to be part of this big, informative, growing, fun family, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. So let's get right into it. So I have cleansed my hands and I've also cleansed my face. Yes, I've cleansed my face, and then we're just going to pat my face dry with uh with a clean towel. Yes. So in prepping your face to use the black spot corrector for maximum effect and the best results, it is important to follow this simple step. So I have patted my face dry. Please note, do not scrub your face harshly. Just pat your face gently with a clean towel or a face towel, and then do not use the same towel for your body and your face. You should have a separate towel for just your face. So after cleansing my face and patting it down with a clean towel, I am going to go in with a toner. So you want to dab on some toner to a cotton wool or cotton pad and then swipe it across your face. Well, I like to be dramatic about mine. Sometimes I do like this. I drop the toner on my face and then I cleanse my face with it. So that's for the forehead area. More drama. Yeah. You do not necessarily have to drop the toner on your face because we have different toners with different consistencies. But I am a dramatic person by nature, so I will drop it on my face. Just kidding. Anyways, cleanse your face thoroughly and gently with a facial toner. This is the first step after cleansing with a gentle soap. Do not leave out your ears and your neck. They're also part of your face. Do not ignore them. So after that is done, we want to move on to serum applications. So there are different serums for different skin conditions, and in another video we'll be discussing that. But for the purpose of this video, I will be using a serum for oily skin because I have oily facial skin. And most serums come in a bottle that has a dropper, so you want to be careful not to minimize contact as much as possible with the dropper to avoid passing bacteria from your face to the dropper and then contaminating the whole liquid. So you want to use a drop for each quadrant of your face. One quadrant, one quadrant. You want to gently rub in the serum in upward strokes, ensuring that the serum is massaged into your skin. Do not scrub it into your skin roughly, but gently massage it with upward strokes into your skin. until it is totally absorbed into the skin. You would feel it. You'll be able to tell when your skin has completely absorbed the serum. Yes. So let that sit for about 10 seconds. Then at this point, you can now apply your Carotone black spot corrector. But I'm currently not using it. I'm done using it. So I'll be using my daily moisturizer and then applying thin swabs. If you're doing this step at night, this is the point where you apply your black spot corrector. But if you are doing this step during the day, please do not apply black spot corrector. Instead, you can use a face moisturizer followed by a sunscreen, or you can use a face moisturizer that has sunscreen in it. As I mentioned in my previous videos, do not use black spot corrector on your face and step out in the sun. It can damage your skin and make you more sensitive to the sun and even cause sunburn. So please, as much as possible, try to avoid using black spot corrector, Carotone black spot corrector during the day. It is advisable to use it at night only. So as a quick recap, after washing my hands, I cleansed my face with a gentle soap. Then I went in with a toner for my face. I applied a facial toner. Then I applied a serum. I let that sit for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then go ahead to apply the Carotone black spot corrector. I hope you have found this video very helpful. If you have, please show some love by subscribing, clicking on the like button, sharing it to your friends or those who might need this information, and also dropping your comment. I would like to hear what you have to say. Have you used this black spot corrector before? What is your experience using Carotone? Is it working for you? Have you started this treatment? What are your results so far? Let me know. I'd like to know what your thoughts and your experiences using the Carotone black spot corrector in the comment section. And if you watched the video up until this point, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.